Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this wall pack light, and we're going to open this up, and I'll show you what's inside, and we will give this a try. So, all I did was cut the tape on it earlier. So this is everything here. So you can see it's a big device, and we have our instructions here, and that's everything. So let's put this all aside. Oops, got some stickers there. And it looks like we have our connector is going to go into this block here. So it looks like I'm going to have to unscrew this to open it up and get into it. And then here we have our little foam plate to keep it waterproof. So, and then this will be the light, so it'll be super bright, shining down. We'll see if I can try to open this up here. Let me get my screwdriver. Here it is. And we'll see if my screwdriver is going to reach. It is. I think it is. I don't know how long the screws are. Okay. Did it do it? Nope, still on that side. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see you have your wires for the different settings and stuff, and it looks like it has a off-on, which is going to be a light sensor to make it go on and off at dusk and go off at dawn. And you have your lead, your neutral, and the ground is grounded to this, and then here is your other wire here, I guess. Let's see, we have, oh, here's another, all our different neutrals. These should be connected together, I think, and then we have our power and one there. We could say 30 watt, 20 watt, 15 watt, and the different frequency, I guess, of the, or not, what is it called? This frequency is the, I don't know what these things are. CCT is the color. So this is the color 3K, 4K, or 5K. And then we have our different wattage levels, I guess, for the different power and brightness. So that's kind of what we have in there. So it's really nice little setting here. And it's got all our instruction guide right there. I'll just kind of show you guys what it looks like there. I'll open the whole thing up. It's a single page, pretty easy to do. So right there kind of gives all the explanation of installing it. It looks like here's the color of the wires. The black is the live, white is the neutral, and green is the the ground. So we have these two, and then the green is the ground. And I'm going to guess we just don't have those connected together because it pulls apart, but I think the two grounds would want to connect together. Or actually, you probably connect these two and go to the ground. Whatever, you got your different options. But so there it is. What is this little one here? I guess different little sensors. But it's really cool little light. It's good, and it seems like it'll be. You put the little waterproof seal on there, and you got the little wire connectors. It comes with everything it needs to hook it up, so you're good to go. So nice light, and it'll be good. So we're gonna probably set this thing up at the house and have it shine down some light. Thumbs up.